Welcome guys. So before we start, I ordered these dynamic indicators from Amazon for about £40. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Apparently they're designed in Germany but made in China, perfect for a British car. And in the box so you have obviously the two indicators. You also get this small plastic crowbar thing to help you take the covering off from the wing mirrors. That's definitely very useful. And you also get this small tiny Allen key that I missed initially. So let's actually take out the indicators and install them on the car. So guys, here's how the indicators look originally. I'm going to do a before and after at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. So at first guys, I tried to squeeze the crowbar between the mirror shielding and the actual cover, but that did not work at all and I risked damaging the paintwork. So this location here was perfect and the cover was off within seconds. Now that we can see the cabling, we need to actually disconnect this from its place, so push down on the toggle and then pull it out from its place. Next we need to take out these two screws that we can see using the Allen key / screwdriver provided. These probably haven't been removed since the car was made, so they were a bit stiff and this might hurt your hands, so brace yourselves. Once you remove them, the light itself should loosen up. Give it some play and it should just remove very easily, just like that. Okay, so we have the new one ready, and just do the opposite of what we just did before. As a guideline, the holes should align so you know it's in the right place. But before we start screwing them back in, I am going to connect the electrical cable and make sure that the indicators are working. Nice, we can screw it back together. Screwed it back in. I'm going to reattach the covering and we are good to go. So there we have it guys. What do you guys think about this mod? I think it's pretty cool for under £40 and it doesn't make the car look tacky at all. It's one of my favorite mods that you can get on the Jaguar. So let me know what you guys think. For some more content, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and if there's any other mods that you guys have done on your Jaguars, then make sure you do comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.